morning children. This is your computer class and I am your computer teacher. My name is Veena Anand and I will teach you computer. Children, yesterday I have sent you the computer video but it was not audible. So I have resent you the computer video. So listen carefully. Computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. It can process huge amount of data very quickly. So it makes our work very easier and faster. It can store and display data. It has the ability to store and process data. And children, you all are knowing very well we can use a computer to type documents, send emails, play games. Many things you can do into the computer. So what is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. It can process huge amounts of data very quickly. To do work with the computer frequently, you should know about all the parts of the computer. So your first chapter is parts of a computer. In this chapter, we will learn about all the parts of the computer. A computer has many parts. In the picture, you can see many different parts of a computer. Monitor, printer, keyboard, CPU, speakers, mouse. Apart from this picture, there are more different parts of a computer like web camera, scanner, headphone. So children, we will learn about these parts of the computer one by one. And if you want to work with the computer frequently, you should know about all the parts of the computer. And children, you should keep in your mind about all the correct spellings of the parts of the computer. So learn these spellings. Today we will learn about two important parts of the computer: monitor and keyboard. So what is a monitor? It looks like a TV. Children, you have your TV at your home. Just like your TV, monitor looks like that. It shows us the work done on a computer. We can watch movies and cartoons on the monitor screen. In the picture, children, you can see two different types of monitors: LED monitor and CRT monitor. Older monitors were look like very heavier and these were called CRT monitor. Today the monitors are thin and light. These are called LED monitor. So what is a monitor? Monitor looks like a TV. It shows us the work done on a computer. Whatever you will type, children, you can see on the monitor screen. So our next important part of the computer is keyboard. Keyboard looks like a typewriter. It has a number of small buttons. Many small buttons are there in your keyboard. And these buttons are called keys. So we can type word and numbers on the keyboard. Using the keyboard, we also give the commands to the computer to do our work using some special keys. So what is a keyboard? Keyboard looks like a typewriter. Using keyboard, we do our typing work. Many small buttons are there. These buttons are called keys. And some special commands you can give into the computer using the keyboard, using many special keys. So this is keyboard. So today we have learnt about the computer. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine. Many parts of a computer. Monitor, printer, keyboard, CPU, mouse, speakers, scanner, web camera, headphone. Many parts of the computer we have learnt. And today we have done monitor and keyboard. Monitor looks like a TV and keyboard looks like a typewriter. So children, keep learning, do practice. And children, I have given you the assignment. So do it neat and clean in your computer copy. I will check it in the online class. So thank you children.